it's Dagi and Nico from Hot Paw Vlog. Yeah, we are sitting here in the corner of our new self-made quail voliere. We made two sides now because we have to push it inside of a corner, and then I cannot do something outside because of a small wall and the shed wall here. Yeah, and we want to continue today. So after putting my hair together, I want to continue with here on this bar, putting the net on, and also these little boards here, because this big bar here was in the way, so I couldn't finish them. I have to do it now before I start with the next thing here. Yeah, let's do this. So I finished now with the net here, and yeah, my nose is a bit running because of this dust here. I'm not sure if I will saw these little boards here, and I cut already the net with this tool here. Sorry, I don't know the name in English. Yeah, Nico is also here and looking if everything is right. I think he likes it here inside because he's always lying on the floor here. Yeah. Yeah, when I have done this work with the net, I was shocked because there are not much washers remaining out of 200 pieces. Yeah, so I hope I can get them on the net here and that they last. So I put these little boards here now and screwed it on the bars and continued already with the long one here. Where's my finger? Here. With this one. And I have to put now these four here. This one on top of the long one here. See you later.
Get zurück.
So yeah, I finished now with these long boards here and the short one in here in the back. Sorry, I have a frog in my throat today. Nico is with me here, and I also finished already here this part and a little wall. Yeah, I will say it a wall because this was the part because of this drinking here from the cows. I wanted to remove it, but it's not possible. So I decided to make it like this here. And there will be another few boards till the bottom. So yeah, there is still some work left here. This is how it looks like now. And I worked with the little LED lamp because, as you can see, everything is dark outside again. So here is another ankle missing, and yeah, that's my work today. Hey, I've done with my work now. Let's see what kind of work is waiting for me in the household. Yeah. This work should be done too. I hope you liked the work and my video today. I would be happy if you leave a subscription to me here, and maybe also that you click on the bell button. Yeah, let's see what is coming next time. I can open my hair now. I hope you do your hair together when you work too, equal if men or women, just for your safety and security. Stay safe in these times, and till next time, bye.